स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 10th इंग्लिश का चैप्टर 16 द रेड राइस ग्रेनरी एंड इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। द रेड राइस ग्रेनरी टेक्सचुअल एक्सरसाइजेज। वर्ड पावर, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिजास्टर मीन्स ऑप्शन ए a pleasing incident, option B distantly situated, option C which brings happiness, option D an unexpected event that causes loss of life or wealth। इसका आंसर है डी, an unexpected event that causes loss of lives and wealth। Second question, paddy fields are fields where rice is grown, option B big fields, option C fields where wheat is it grown, option D fertile and big fields। आंसर है A fields where rice is grown। Third question, the bags that she got from the rich people were brimming over with, option A useful clothes, option B junk, option C precious ornaments, option D food packets। आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी जंक। Question number 4, the writer of this article was invited to deliver a speech in a, option A company, option B party, option C village, ऑप्शन डी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए कंपनी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द डैश यूज्ड टू बी द सुपीरियर वन, ऑप्शन ए पॉलिश्ड राइस, ऑप्शन बी वाइट राइस, ऑप्शन सी रेड राइस, ऑप्शन डी येलो राइस। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी वाइट राइस। हाउ मच आई हैव अंडरस्टैंड, फर्स्ट इसका ए क्वेश्चन है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाई वाज द राइटर इनवाइटेड टू बेंगलोर, आंसर द राइटर was invited to a reputed company in Bangalore to deliver a lecture on corporate social responsibility। Question 2, what was the reaction of the young girls and boys after the writer's lecture? Answer, the young girls and boys were very emotional after the writer's lecture. All of them became willing to offer something or the other for donation। Question 3, how did the writer assure the boys and girls? Answer, the writer assured the boys and girls by asking them to send their bags of things to be donated to his office and saying that she would see that they reach the right persons। Question 4, how did the grandparents of the writer live? Answer, the grandparents of the writer lived like flowers with fragrance in the forest enchanting everyone around them, but hardly noticed by the outside world. They did their work wholeheartedly without expecting anything from anybody in their life. Question 5. What question had been bothering the author for a long time? Answer the question that why she and her grandparents ate red rice always at night and give the better quality rice to the poor people bothered author for a long time. Question 6. Why didn't they eat white rice at night? Answer. They didn't eat white rice at night because they donated it to the poor as they thought that they should give anybody the best they have. B. Answer the following question 3 or 4 sentences. Question 1. How did squirrels help Sri Ram during the construction of the bridge between India and Lanka? Answer. Squirrels helped Sri Rama during the construction of the bridge between India and Lanka by bringing a handful of sand. Question 2. Why did the writer's initial feeling of pride on receiving the donation in kind turn in shock and surprise on opening the bags containing them? Answer. The writer's initial feeling of pride on receiving the donations in kind turned into shock and surprise on opening the bags because the bags were full of all kinds of junk. It was apparent that instead of sending the material to a garbage, it was transferred to the writer's office. Question 3. How did people live in the villages during the writer's childhood? Answer. During writer's childhood, there was no communal divide in the village. People from different communities lived together in peace. Question 4. Write any 4 lines as quoted by the writer from the Vedas. Answer. The 4 lines from the Vedas are donate with kind words, donate with happiness, donate with sincerity, donate only to the needy. Question number 5. How did the writer's grandparent help the poor people? Answer. Writer's grandparents helped the poor by giving them white rice while they themselves ate poor quality red rice. Question 6. What is the real service to God according to the writer's grandmother? Answer. According to the writer's grandmother, serving people is the real service to God because He is not there in temple, mosque, or church. He is with the people. लैंग्वेज प्रैक्टिस स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमको नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने हैं और उनको लिखना है. फर्स्ट है ही इज़ वेरी फेट. इसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा ही इज़ नॉट वेरी फेट. सेकेंड है आई बिलीव इन गॉड. इसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन गॉड. थर्ड है कमला लर्न्स इंग्लिश. इसका जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा कमला डज नॉट लर्न इंग्लिश. नेक्स्ट है आई वेंट टू सी द बुक फेयर. इसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा आई डिड नॉट गो टू सी द बुक फेयर. नेक्स्ट रहीम रोट अ गुड आर्टिकल फॉर द स्कूल मैगजीन. इसका नेगेटिव होगा रहीम डिड नॉट राइट अ गुड आर्टिकल फॉर द स्कूल मैगजीन. नेक्स्ट है आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश नाउ. इसका नेगेटिव होगा आई कांट स्पीक इंग्लिश नाउ. नेक्स्ट है मेक क्वेश्चंस एज इंडिकेटेड अगेंस्ट ईच सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट द बॉय वॉज प्लेइंग. यस और नो टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाना है इसका. आंसर मतलब इसका जो क्वेश्चन बनेगा वॉज द बॉय प्लेइंग. नेक्स्ट है प्रकाश प्लेज टेनिस. WH टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाना है. व्हाट डज प्रकाश प्ले. नेक्स्ट है दे लर्न इंग्लिश. यस और नो टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो इसका बनेगा डू दे लर्न इंग्लिश. नेक्स्ट है गर्ल्स सेंग स्वीट सॉन्ग्स यस्टरडे. WH टाइप का क्वेश्चन बनाना है इसका तो इसका बनेगा व्हेन डिड गर्ल्स सिंग स्वीट सॉन्ग्स. स्टूडेंट्स इस टाइप के ही क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो ग्रामर में एग्जाम में आते हैं इसलिए इनको बहुत अच्छे से कर लेना चाहिए. राइटिंग टाइम. डिस्क्राइब द सीन इन नॉट मोर देन 50 वर्ड्स. यहाँ पर कुछ सीन दिए हुए हैं, दृश्य दिए हुए हैं जिसको आपको 50 वर्ड्स की लिमिट में आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है. फर्स्ट है अ फ्लड सीन. अ फ्लड सीन. लास्ट ईयर फ्लड अकर्ड इन आवर विलेज. द होल विलेज ड्रोन्ड इन वाटर. द विलेजर्स took shelter on the high mountain peaks. Many were drowned. There were household utensils and articles seen floating in the water. There was great loss of life and property. There was chaos all around. Relief packets of food were being thrown down from the aeroplanes sent by the government. A scene after an earthquake. Last year there was an earthquake in Gujarat. It caused a great loss of life and property. Several high buildings and houses had tumbled down, and several people were buried under them. Only few seconds a havoc was created. Several children had become apprehended and many had lost their families. Government crew was trying to take out those who were alive from the heap and relief program was going on. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, और यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।